This is question number 4 of our linear systems review. I have you invested $4,000 between two accounts paying 2% and 6% annual interest, respectively. If the total interest earned for the year was $200, we want to know the amount of money invested at each rate. So let's call X the money invested at 2%. Which means Y is going to be the money invested at 5%, 6%. So when we add the two of them together, we are supposed to get $4,000. So X plus Y is equal to 4,000. To get the second one, for the interest earned, we need to take 2% of X, so 0.02X, plus 6% of Y, 0.06Y, is equal to the $200. As you can see, these aren't that nice to utilize, but we could solve for, let's solve for Y for this top equation. By subtracting the X from both sides, this will make Y is equal to 4,000 minus X. And we're going to replace the Y in the bottom equation with that expression. So 0.02X plus 0.06 times 4,000 minus X is equal to 200. Distributing the 0.06 to both the 4,000 and the negative X, we get 0.02X plus 240 minus 0.06X is equal to 200. And let me just fix that 4 so it looks more like a 4. There we go. We could combine the 0.02X and the negative 0.06X to make negative 0.04X plus 240 is equal to 200. We could subtract the 240 from both sides. And that will give us negative 0.04X is equal to negative 40. So then dividing by that negative 0.04 from both sides, we would get a value for X to be $1,000. And this is at that 2%. To get the value of Y, we just do that 4,000 minus 1,000 from this equation we solved. So Y would be 4,000 minus 1,000, gives us $3,000 at the 6% interest. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns. Thank you.